Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And today's vlog guys, let's cook simple recipe of tofu using this pumpkin. Home cook is always the best. My tofu is mochi mochi, look, and I will use guys a clump or asari. Healthy and delicious. Okay, clump or asari, or they called in English Manila clump. I don't know why they called Manila clump. Okay, tofu, mochi mochi, soft type. And I will use cornstarch. Cornstarch with paprika. Okay, this one is paprika. And as usual, my favorite seasoning, fish powder. And dark soy sauce. And let's melt out this using water. And let's start cooking guys. On the pan, let's put an olive oil or any kind of oil that you have in your kitchen. Then sweet garlic. And let's add the squash. Follow this. Deep umami guys. Okay guys, the squash is already cooked. Let's add a black pepper and salt to taste. And let's add now the tofu. It's very easy guys and delicious. Super deep umami. And let's add spring onion guys, frozen spring onion that is available always on my freezer. Deep umami from the shell or from the clump. So guys, until here, those who are watching until end, thank you so much guys. Perfect for rice or any kind, also good also for pasta or noodles. This one is very perfect for rice. So until here guys, thanks for those who are watching until end for my simple recipe of tofu. Okay, thank you so much for watching guys. Until next simple and easy delicious recipe that is only in my kitchen. So until here guys, bye. Thanks for watching.